When life throws those unexpected bumps and scrapes our way, being ready can make all the difference. Whether it's a minor cut in the kitchen or something a bit more serious on the go, having the right supplies isn't just a convenience, it's peace of mind. Today, we're covering the best first aid kits for home, chosen for their comprehensive contents, smart organization, and real-world usefulness. We'll look at the top 5. For more details, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. KeepGoing Large First Aid Kit. First up, the KeepGoing Large First Aid Kit. This one feels pretty thoughtfully designed, combining function with, well, a bit of flair actually. It doesn't scream emergency supply with some boring utilitarian look. Instead, it's got a sleek, modern design with that frost silver finish, so it blends into a home or car without standing out like a sore thumb. People really appreciate that it doesn't look like something straight out of the military. It's subtle until you actually need it. Inside, you're looking at 270 pieces, a pretty comprehensive count for everything from minor cuts and scrapes to burns. Users say it's well organized, with everything easy to find, which is crucial in the pitch. We've seen feedback where people are seriously impressed, even nurses who say they couldn't have put together a better kit themselves. Plus, it works as a baby first aid kit too, giving parents peace of mind for those little boo-boos. It's constructed with premium water and stain-resistant materials, so it's built to last. Many users mention how compact it is, fitting easily into a glove box or diaper bag, but still managing to pack a punch.
Swiss Safe 2-in-1 Hardcase Kit. Now, if you want something that screams preparedness a bit louder, the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 Hardcase Kit is a strong contender. This kit is housed in a robust, impact-absorbing hardcase. So yeah, it's built to take a beating, which makes it a solid pick for outdoor adventures or even just keeping in the trunk. One reviewer even called it a reliable guardian. It packs 348 pieces, giving you a really wide range of medical supplies. We're talking bandages, burn care, and even things like a Mylar blanket and fire starter rod for survival situations. But the clever bit? It comes with a mini first aid kit, 32 items you can just grab and throw into a smaller bag for daily use. Users online love this versatility, saying it covers both major emergencies and those smaller day-to-day incidents. Some folks on Reddit, though, caution about relying on Amazon for critical medical supplies, fearing fakes, but many still rate Swiss Safe highly for its comprehensive nature. The hard case is also a standout, offering great protection for the contents, which is definitely something we like to see.
EVERLIT Type 3 Class A Kit. Moving on, the EVERLIT Type 3 Class A Kit, this one's definitely leaning towards a more professional grade setup. It's got a whopping 400 pieces, going way beyond basic bandages. We're talking ointments, burn creams, medication tablets, and tools for a wide range of injuries. This kit doesn't mess around. It aims to meet and actually exceed ANSI OSHA standards for workplaces with up to 100 people. Organization is a real strength here, with a multi-compartment interior for quick access. That's super important when seconds count. Users often highlight its thoughtful layout, preventing that fumbling around in an emergency. It's a durable hard case, plus it's mountable, making it super practical for offices, schools, or even just in a vehicle. Some users on Reddit have had mixed feelings about buying medical gear from Amazon, questioning authenticity. But for those who trust the source, this EVERLIT kit really delivers on being a thorough, all-in-one solution for some serious emergency preparedness. It's pretty heavy, so maybe not for backpacking.
SurviveX Large Pro Kit. Now, if you're looking for serious preparedness, and we mean serious, the SurviveX Large Pro Kit steps it up. This one's designed for 5 to 6 people, which is more than your standard large kit. It's packed with advanced emergency items. Think Israeli-style emergency bandages for heavy bleeding and specialized burn care supplies. It's not just for scrapes. This thing is built to handle much more, even hypothermia. A standout here is the emergency laceration closures. We're talking treating cuts without stitches, helping minimize scarring. Pretty neat, right? The organization is a big win too. Color-coded, labeled compartments for everything from wounds to hygiene and tools. Users frequently praise how easy it is to find what you need quickly. Many reviewers, including an EMT husband, were seriously impressed with its comprehensiveness. People feel much more prepared having this around, saying it's a smart pick for the car or home, or even hiking.
SurviveX Large Kit. Finally, we've got the SurviveX Large Kit. This is another professional-grade option, designed for a pretty comprehensive emergency care.
It handles a broad spectrum of injuries, everything from minor cuts to sprains, burns, fractures, and insect bites. What's cool is it also packs those emergency laceration closures for stitch-free wound management, just like its Pro sibling. It's organized really well too. You get color-coded, clearly labeled compartments, which means no fumbling around when stress is high. Users report that durable construction holds up, protecting all the contents. Folks really like that it balances comprehensive coverage with being user-friendly. Plus, it comes with a first aid guide and even a pencil to document what you did, which is a surprisingly useful addition a lot of kits miss. It's a solid, reliable choice for families or smaller groups who need something robust for home, travel, or those outdoor excursions. Some reviews even say it's not too heavy, making it easy to carry for how much it packs. And that wraps up the top 5 best first aid kits for home. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.